Hello, good day everyone. I am Kalavani Ravichandran here. My metric number is MC2303212276. I am taking course of BAGD 223 Introduction to International Business. Today I would like to present regarding Foreign Presentation 10%, the title of Foreigner Direct Investment FDI Expanding into Southern Asia. So here is the table of the content which is I will presenting regarding the introduction of FDI, role of FDI in expansion strategy, managing foreigner exchange and financial risk, entry modes into Southern Asia, next counter trade strategy, the last one is the conclusion. Firstly, we go into the introduction of FDI. First one is the term of FDI refers to an ownership stake in a foreign company or project made by investor, company or government from another country. FDI is generally used to describe a business decision to acquire a sustainable stake in a foreigner business or to buy it outright to expand operation to a new regions. The term is usually not used to describe a stock investment in a foreigner company alone, and FDI is a key element in international economic business integration because it creates stable and long-lasting links between economics. Next is the role FDI in expansions, which is benefits of FDI. FDI plays a certain role in enabling global companies to enter new markets. For a technology company, FDI offers several advantages. First, it provides access to a Southern Asian market, which is one of the fastest growing regions globally. Second, it allows the company to leverage lower production costs and access a highly skilled workforce in countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and also Vietnam. For the example, Apple's invest in manufacturing facilities in Vietnam demonstrate on how FDI can reduce operation costs while strengthening region supply chains. However, companies must also navigate challenges including regulation barriers and then need to adapt to local cultural performance. Next, we go into managing foreigner exchange and financial risk. Expanding into Southern Asia introduces foreigner exchange risks as revenue and costs may be exposed to fluctuating currencies such as the Indonesia rupiah or also Malaysia ringgit. To mitigate this risk, company can utilize financial instruments like forward contracts or currency options to hedge against currency fluctuations. For example, Microsoft uses currency hedge to manage its global operation and stabilize financial performance. Next, companies should consider local financing to reduce dependence on foreigner capital and minimize exchange rate risk. Diversification across multiple currencies can also help mitigate the impact of adverse currency movement. Next, we move forward for the entry modes into Southern Asia. The choice of entry mode in curtain for successful expansion. Joint ventures are a popular options as they allow company partner with local firms and leverage their expertise. For example, Intel's partnership with Malaysia company has helped it navigate regulation requirements and gain local market knowledge. Alternatively, wholly owned subsidiaries provide full control over operations but equally significant investment and come with higher risk. For companies looking to minimize risk, licensing or franchising can be viable option to it offer less operation control. The decision should depend on factors such as the regulation environment, competitive landscape, and also cultural compatibility. Next is the counter trade strategy, which is counter trade can be an effective strategy for entering Southern Asian market, especially where local currency or trade barriers are a concern. For instance, a technology company could engage in barter agreements, exchange software solution for a raw materials or hardware component such from the regions. Often agreements are another option where the company agrees to invest in local infrastructure or industry as part of the trade deal. This is not only stretches relationship with local governments but also aligns with the region's economic development goals. For example, IBM has previously engaged in counter trade deals to expand its presence in emerging markets. Lastly, we already come to the end of the slide, which is conclusion. To conclude, FDI serves as a cornerstone for expanding into Southern Asia, offering marketing access and cost advantages. However, managing foreign exchange risk is essential to ensure financial stability. Companies should carefully evaluate entry moves to balance control and risk while adapting counter-trade strategy that align with region's economy and also cultural dynamics. Thank you so much.